Yeah, fine.
So far with the result now, at all from the game pan. Obeka say many result and
of course there's only one of them.
Okay.
The Bodo one, of course, that's the only
that's
the only one. I love Sporting Club de Portugal for the way they approach the game. First of all, the road to Budapest has 30 years interesting. And Obakaya, before I start to say a year round 16 analysis on the catch you say there is no year a football tournament and produce upsets in their story. And Rich, they are not Sporting Club de Portugal and NC wow. Along the way, they are special mission. They will fall tattoo. That is the nature of football. Now, I watched 90 minutes. Even when game extra time, I know master. I was still watching it.
Okay.
Because na game near me fair. So when we game ni gidi because the Bodo any chances. They got chances. But Rich, everything went against them and everything went for Sporting Club de Portugal. And I love the way they prepared themselves to take opportunity of say omoye lucky ni enoma ehia omo say na ehia omo na. They were absolutely brilliant to take advantage of it. Yes, starting game now. They made their intentions very, very clear. And yet I can't say me about from you say fortunes favor the brave. Rich, they were brave. No, he said, both of one is stubborn. And boom, they knew say bono about a high risk. Baby, I bet you see, but sometimes omo da form. And you almost lost omo ebeko from feather. And they got the first goal, they got the second goal, then they started believing, say, and they are possible. They played very, very well. They played very, 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 very well. And see, and Bodofon were so disappointed. They never imagined say and no man at all. But Rich, that is football, and Sano Mabi say no, you expect say why show no ma na day no anko yamawa ebesi. Arsenal did their job. Mekachi say even though be at person Arsenal be Leverkusen, but there was a specific job that needed to be done. Yes, starting game no. Leverkusen goalkeeper make it bear 5 crucial saves to make it difficult for Arsenal. But Rich, one was a goal no. Super volley. I think say goals in the Abaka say goalkeeper no all higher do. After the chiweni and then the Clarice ended at the end now, making sure say Arsenal and a 2-0 win over the Emirates against Leverkusen. But I think say Leverkusen front gave a very, very good account of themselves over the 2 legs, But as suspected, Arsenal are too hot this season, and it will not take Leverkusen say Omonombe Arsenal left film in the Champions League. Then na anope you a good fellow obi anya na let bia. Because also 2K neighbor. Yes, then I also 2K neighbor. Friday we also do watch. And see you a good fellow. Yes, on Friday, yeah, watch a party with you into 2K. I was say a bat. Mean say the what menka.
Was it Leandro Zenian was some papa?
Not only no the best. Not only no the best share. The compensation of the bit here. 2K near time is Rich. You see, for fanatics, for football fans, if or a Chelsea ni na or say or the GDA tiny team achi say Omumbra Barca, me I don't have a problem. But Rich, it was not going to be. It wasn't. say over Chelsea in the history of the club teams or more assemble rich or team belong to history in the right way. Now would you standard net to way more. You could clearly see. Say we were asking too much of these guys. No, too much. Now, Ubakaya, the moment reported by Rhys James a plan. Minimum shame my Chelsea for now. Because as at that time, they were even dealing with Malo Gusto. And so Enoch Kubia. No, must say and share game no team. So you don't have Rhys James. Only Malo Gusto or no backup. How do you deal with Vija? And Enra, some moment, sets the tone for Paris Saint-Germain. Long ball. Sa thought say or in the first touch, attrap a ball. Say ball na for an assay. Vija read the situation quickly and was sharing him. Born to him na ushe sa ni dimina you could sense or Jitum say he has given his team away. Rich, Open Romontada near Sabesha first go tiawa. A doom or believe no. And Paris Saint-Germain played very, very well. They managed the game. Make sure say omo no trying to pass around the near. They did very, very well. I said it yesterday. Say now too much of an axe. Say because a Chelsea team way overturn the results, against Paris Saint-Germain. Paris Saint-Germain about home and away 8-2 there. They've shown their dominance over the two legs, make a City team way doesn't look like a team that will be able to overturn a 3-0 against Real Madrid. Real Madrid, in fact, even came to Etihad and beat them. Me say, omo pepe pasem no. They should quickly realize this season is one of the worst. Na omo expectations in free Pep any City team nechi. They are not the standard Pep team. It's as simple as that. And they conform GD or Pep every year no. Sana Pep so every year Bernardo Silva. Which the truth of the matter they say Bernardo Silva perform. And Pep should understand that. But onye na use obegia to mu. Nti there two money there. Me there rich. I so believe say na was say two mo and now to any games There are 4 crucial games today. Na say upset be beba. We all will not know where it will come from. But Rich, may I sure say there are 2 games. It will shock people if a possible impo say results, in terms of Obi person so may qualify and qualifier. The Bayern Atlanta game and the Tottenham Atletico Madrid. So let's start from the Tottenham Atletico Madrid game. Nancy Tottenham enya draw against Liverpool. Abranti our take come was Richarlison. Rich on so exactly Kopra. Into any game no ontimi Bobby.
I
don't know what is wrong with the team. Now unim adia minim say abeko so Tottenham Stadium and say they will have to give themselves a chance to show their support and say they can fight. But Rich, under Diego Simeone, probably you take away Barcelona. Say if you have to chase a game against Atletico, as in say, also attack you. That is how he is built as a manager, any philosopher. Counter attack, soak pressure. And then he will play the game that suits him best. Bobby Stadium. Yadika Shen to first leg or Pekat in Tiban or Bayenso. Masha team 4-4-2. Ye two clear lines of defense compact. Ye Tito man ye Jibona, me wo Griezmann, me wo Ademola Lookman, and I'm Julian Alvarez. Yes, you have chances when you we want to be as clinical anti or more banana share even when they score us, yes, you have to tell more as they want more. That is how the game is going to go, and it suits El Cholo, Diego Simeone in that kind of situation. And I don't see how Tottenham will be able to qualify against Atletico based on the first leg now. Of course, they're rich. The second game will probably be
Bayern.
No, the Bayern will be last because I think that
Liverpool Galatasaray.
Let's touch on that. Rich, any game kitwa. Because Liverpool will have to come back. But Makacho will say the reason why, Rich, all of a sudden, Galatasaray decided to add Ike Gundogan, Leroy Sani, Victor Osimhen. Any those players are a personality was so is for moments like this, where in the past you can easily sit in your studio and say, oh, Galatasaray Liverpool won, our techie, but Omukwa Anfield no, Liverpool easy. Rich, in all honesty, even though you have confidence, in the context of the Champions League, Liverpool will do it. You have your reservations.
Sure, because Liverpool better than happen.
Yes, you have,
and the Liverpool
apart from that, Rich, you will know, say they will be coming against a formidable Galatasaray team. And what personalities I bet me any Liverpool and Siakan. Liverpool is playing a very, very difficult game. And it's almost sure with Lucas Torreira and Mario Lemina. Physicality, boots, yen tackle, yen fair, Nancy, yen chat. No matter what, yen maximum balance. Rich, now you must any no along more wings with Victor Osimhen leading the lines. The ambassador Kenya said, you trust Liverpool because it's Champions League. You trust Liverpool because Anfield. They have game changers. Iketike, Salah, Vet. They have players. But Rich, you still give room. Say Galatasaray ever presented a very, very formidable opposition to team friend Liverpool. That there is no doubt about it. The only thing I ever my side with Liverpool qualifying, and they say, Rich, see you do Champions League in this year. No matter how formidable you can be, no, Rich, one way not pedigree be, especially when everything is equal. You can say you game as Liverpool take a 1-0 until on aggregate 1-1. Game now second half. You do 78 minutes. You be book game now. Rich, then you need to dig deep and find your pedigree within the competition to come and rescue you. I'm sure at that time, no, Rich, say two teams singing air conjoa. Liverpool's own will listen to them because of our competition. That is the only reason why I am going to say Liverpool ever qualify. Mundo Deportivo front page, you know, as a game where Barca born and then a crucial. And a sports as also a front page, you say game number 1 is like a final. Rich. Any game, you know, any easy ma Barcelona sao.
Newcastle.
Yes. Any easy sa. Barcelona any overwhelming favorites, but any easy sa. Newcastle what it takes. Say a new man ma Barcelona, Rich, they will take advantage. Because they have what it takes at the end of because of Eddie Howe as a coach. Any the way I watch this Newcastle team, Rich, a team one our intensity. And see, only a more game no high tempo. They are used to that. Number 2, Rich, a team in terms of physicality, and when they are parking, so dwells aggression. Only be. And see, on the day that they step onto Camp Nou, Barcelona want to beat them with intensity, control, physical. That is how we are built as a team. Then the last thing, Rich, Barcelona weakness are more. Even on the day that they play absolutely fantastic, the pace behind on the defense. And this Newcastle team, imagine today, say already how you saw Obebo Anthony Gordon as the first number 9. Now Obo Harvey Barnes, now Obo Ramsey, or Elanga, or Murphy. Rich, any of the front 3 be Obo Paedibiano. And what it takes to say, doing the movements in the game. Say Newcastle enya a chance where there's a gap, our Barcelona high line a cheer. No pass properly kotowa. They have players that can run to it. And see, omo no mami ensa. Omo they train game no movement, you know. And say, and also be two omo in their movement, Rich, they have absolute all the characteristics to take advantage of it. But one, Barcelona call Spotify company back now. That place seems to be a fortress. Number 2, say about individual qualities, any game changers are. Say Barcelona ewo Rafinha, Lamine Yamal, Lewandowski, Ferran Torres, Pedri. These are players are rich. On a good day at Spotify company, Barcelona helper results, Daniel Olmo, Fermin Lopez. Rich, they can win that game for Barcelona team now. And Newcastle, any team can see you to Barcelona. So look, to boot these big clubs out of the Champions League, Rich, at a point in time they must fear you. Barca will never fear Newcastle. Sanke Milan be an Eba with this same situation, same place. Obey cautious. Liverpool be obey cautious. Chelsea obey cautious. But Rich, for the fact that it is Newcastle, they don't have any fear factor. Be a Sankomu was Adiana, and the results from St. James wouldn't be 1-1. And that is where Barcelona probably will make it over Tima. Yefeno Newcastle Bayern will qualify. Now we say board air report still now is going to be Nicolas Jackson. And the Billy did the lines, you know. So come when Nicolas Jackson now I will call him. The way he disappointed Bayern in the Leverkusen game. He share one. Now he card. Now we say Chan was a could be a card. On our Bayern anti-Manchester Leverkusen. Into own your opportunity be more in the Champions League against Team from Atlanta at the Allianz Arena.
In first league is a chance to be palm.
Young crowd so. Otimi SN. Now Rich Medema no see no. The way Champions League, you know, ne Omacha no.
Quarterfinals, you know.
The reason why my analysis and everything, I tune to the teams I want them to qualify, you know. And I say, Rich, let's look at the first part, you know. So, said last season, with Liverpool, flamboyancy from the group stage is Paris Saint-Germain. Imagine Liverpool qualifies from this angle.
No, so I be share PSG man.
It means there's a match. There's some scores to settle. Now, Uba Sewa, Rich, in Pempri, Bayern look unbeatable, and it is Real Madrid. And it's a so who can test Real Madrid? Who can test Bayern? It is only if they meet, it will be nice. Then Rich, you go to the other side and Chebia in the Spanish Copa del Rey semi-finals. Barcelona ni Atletico Asia. Ama Atletico yi Barcelona from Yaya. Imagine you set up a quarter-final Champions League for them. say oh the amoye in the Copa del Rey yeah mama another chance home and away Munsantin Jinabim. That would be very, very exciting. Arsenal, any sporting club in Portugal here, they already have their dates. Now, Rich, a storylines, you know. And then Mami Gidi say, Atletico must qualify, Barca must qualify, Liverpool must do whatever it takes. So, Omuni Galatasaray for no, na afe so yenya a date of Real Madrid against Bayern. Was our quarter final games. It's rich. I am the Champions League. You see, and the course no. Matna see the mean to me and Kojina. But me to me abobo. Na and Kofo etimi afa. Already kwa me socials now is there. It has been there till morning. My WhatsApp channel no, enemy Telegram, enemy me Facebook pages no, enemy X no. But for more mutie radio no, I have only 3 codes. First one a BW468 C01E3 BW468 C01E3. Second one a BW468 C23 CE BW468 C23 CE. And the last one a BW468 C3809 BW468 C3809. Oko Owusu Bempa Ayala LX a verified account. Unsa Ebeka code no. Oko Owusu Bempa Bismarck Owusu Bempa hyphen Ayala and also verified Facebook unsa Ebeka code no. Oko Ayala Sports Facebook unsa ebitimi aka.
You know the rest of the 20 minutes in the Murphy.